What's up guys, in this video we're comparing Bluebeam, PlanSwift, and Procore, three major software tools that help professionals in construction and design. If you're trying to choose the right one, let's break down their strengths and see which might work best for you. Bluebeam Revu is best known for its powerful PDF markup and editing features. It's widely used by architects, engineers, and contractors to review plans, annotate drawings, and collaborate on documents in real time. Its strength lies in detailed document management and easy communication, making it an industry favorite for design and review phases. PlanSwift, meanwhile, is focused on takeoff and estimating. It allows you to quickly measure and quantify materials directly from digital plans. Contractors and estimators love it because it speeds up the bidding process and improves accuracy, saving both time and money. PlanSwift isn't as strong in document collaboration or project-wide communication, but excels in what it was built for: precise takeoffs. Finally, Procore is a full-scale construction project management platform. It handles everything from document control and budgeting to scheduling and field communication. Its strength lies in bringing the entire project team, including owners, contractors, and subs, onto one unified platform. While it's more expensive and has a steeper learning curve, it's extremely powerful for managing large or complex projects from start to finish. If your main need is detailed plan review and markup, Bluebeam is the way to go. For precise material takeoffs and quick estimating, PlanSwift is your best bet. And if you're looking for an all-in-one platform to manage your entire construction project, Procore is the clear choice. Let me know which tool you're leaning towards in the comments. And that would be all for today's review video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.